Okay, so what I have in front of me and what I'm going to be discussing about in this video is the Denman Classic Styling Brush with 7 rows. So it's the 7-row classic styling brush. Came in this box, and it has a hole right here so you can actually feel what bristles feel like. So I thought that was pretty cool. Another thing why I just love keeping boxes is just that, to me, especially when it comes to brushes like this, it prevents dust, because I mostly keep like my brushes and stuff in like a drawer. So keeping them in a box, to me, it just helps it to, I guess, stay fresh and not like exposed to like dust and everything else too. I don't know why, but I just love keeping boxes. But anyway, so yeah, I kept it in a brush. And Denman brushes is real popular, like especially in like the curly hair community. I'm just gonna give some features about this product. So again, like I said, it's 7-row. It's with smooth nylon pins and an anti-static natural rubber pad. So this right here, and this is what the bristles look like up close. I try to get my hair out as much as possible, and then down here you see where it says Denman. So yeah, that's dope. Like, that's so cool. Okay, and then the Denman with the crown. Oh my gosh, it's so cool. It's so dope. Okay, anyway, so the brush width is 35 millimeters. Perfect for smoothing, shaping, and polishing the hair. Okay, so this brush, it works best though when your hair is like wet with the products that you have in it. Normally, what I do and mostly what I've seen like other people that use the brush is that they use the product like they, you have water on your hair, you have a leave-in conditioner or gel, or all the stuff that you are putting on your hair as far as like your styling. And you go behind us and use a Denman brush. A lot of people have said, and I witnessed this as myself because I've seen the difference between when I use a wide tooth comb and a Denman brush. Not saying that it's with my hair, it's not like a huge difference, but I know that I'm definitely getting out more tangles because I guess with the more teeth. And to me, I kind of feel like the product is being distributed like to my hair. And what I mean by my hair, I mean like everything, like every follicle. It's not just you have some hair and it may have like it may be like a small piece and then you got product like covering up. Like, no, I feel like my products that I use on my hair, styling wise, is being used. I wouldn't say drenched, but it's just every hair follicle on my head, I feel like it's being conditioned with the product. I hope that's making sense. But anyway, this is a professional product, and hairdressers use this. They use it to shape, smooth, and polish medium to long hair. And the close set nylon pins provide grip and control and are especially effective for styling thicker hair. So there's different rows. There's like a 9-row. There's, I can't remember what all rows it is, but I just know I got the 7th row. And it's real easy to, like, if you have hair, like I have a rat tooth comb, so I use like the part where you the tail, and I'll just kind of like grab the hair from the teeth. I don't really see, well, let me rephrase that. When I'm when I'm brushing my hair with that, my hair, it sheds. It's not, it's like, like a normal shed, like your hair is supposed to shed or whatever, but the old hair, it takes that out. But as far as like ripping my hair out and stuff like that, no. I do it really easily though. Like I from the left and the right, I actually switch sides on how I brush my hair. Like I think, how do I do it from the left? I think I brush it this way, the teeth towards the left, and then to the right, I think I do the teeth like coming down. I don't know. It's just a weird way of me combing out my hair, especially when it's curly. Yeah, I only use this brush though when I'm having like a curly hairstyle, when I'm rocking my hair curly. But I think they have, yeah, I know they got a 9, and then they have different codes too, as far as like the type of brushes and stuff like that. But yeah, again, this is the Denman 7-row, and you can see it right here in case you're 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so yes, okay, let me say it one more time. Okay, so yeah, this is the Denman 7-row classic styling brush, and again, I believe the because I've seen D. I don't know where I've seen D from. GB. Okay. Yay! I don't think there's anything else on the side. On the side. Okay, just making sure.